In this episode, we discuss the big changeover to Google Spaces and give you those promised details of our summer workshops. I'm Jordan R. from the training and support team here at the OCDSB. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and right now, let's get right to it. This is our second last episode of the season, and what a season we've had so far. I'll make sure to prepare some much needed bloopers for next week, but for now, let's get right into how to best use Spaces like you used to use Currents and show you some awesome new features. If you had managed or were part of a Currents group before, you'll notice in Spaces that it'll recognize your old group right here. When you select a group, you'll see all the threads and posts from before. The only difference is that it's not displayed the same. Instead, they've created threads that you now reply to based on the post. When you reply to a post, a sidebar will appear to create a thread. This keeps things a little more clean in your space. If you plan to create or search for a space, just conveniently select New Space and choose your option accordingly. When you select Create, you can add a title, description, add your contacts, or paste in a list of email addresses, or add an emoji. The other option to decide from is the Advanced button. When selected, it allows you to either keep the space restricted or possibly include people outside the OCDSB. Or you can make it available to the OCDSB only. If you do, then you'll see this option becomes grayed out. As a space manager, cool title I know, you can also create your space as a post-only forum, which is a new feature only for newly created spaces. Need a link to share your space? Just select the little chevron at the top here and select Copy Link. Then share it where you need it.
Here's Johnny!
Instead of scrolling through endless conversations, select Files at the top and you'll have access to anything that has been shared in your space with the date attached for reference. If you need any more details on working with Spaces, I've added a slide deck in the description of this video to access.
Welcome to the party, pal!
So go ahead and blast off with your space and make it out of this world. Now for summer workshops. Welcome to Camp Tech with B&LT. Our free camping themed workshops are happening from July 5th to the 27th. We'll have workshop options on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, either for 1 hour virtual or 2 hour in person. We also have a great lineup featuring sharing with Google, Google Docs, Google Calendar, Gmail, Next Level Digital Classroom with the VLE, and of course, Canva. Sign up has already begun. Just click the link in the description to choose what you'd love to learn this summer. We very much look forward to you joining us for our summer camp. Well, that's it for your weekly upgrade. Enjoy the rest of your day, your week, and every minute in between.